y'all, so when I went to CVS yesterday, I got some coupons. I got one for $3 off of Sally Hansen nail products, and I also have a $1 extra bucks. So I'm gonna go in and see if I can find me a Sally Hansen's nail polish that I can get for a really good deal with the $3 off. And hopefully they have something new. I'm going into a different CVS, so this is one I haven't been in a while. So if you guys remember, in a few videos back when I went to a CVS, I was showing you guys the Sally Hansen top coats. They had crystal, sugar, and unicorn. So they had all three of them here. I didn't get one because they were 10 bucks and I was just trying to get something a bit cheaper with my $3 off coupon. So I was just taking a look around. In this particular CVS, they didn't have much of a choice of Sally Hansen's like they do in other CVS's I've been in. So I looked at their treatments and I decided to go with something like that instead. This was $6.49, and with my coupon it would have been like $3 and some change, plus I had $1 extra buck. So I just grabbed that nail treatment. I'm going to share that with you guys in another video. And so I was just glancing around, seeing if there was anything I wanted besides that, and then just showing you guys what else they had. They do have these new repair and rescue treatments that I do want to try, but they're quite expensive. They're like $13.99 to $14.99. So maybe I'll get that when I have like my 40% off coupon and some more extra bucks. If you guys have tried those treatments, let me know in the comments what you think about them. So yeah, that's the end. I did pick up a couple more items. Like I said, I'll share them in the next video. So turn on notifications so you won't miss it, and subscribe if you're new.